Nubia Red Magic gaming pad just launched before few days. Fast refresh rate display, flagship processor, all metal design, huge battery, fast charging and menu. Today I'm gonna show you unboxing and first impression of the Red Magic gaming pad. Hey guys, Mikey from Tech Mikey. Please consider subscribing, turning on the notification by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. Let's take a quick look at the unboxing of the Red Magic gaming tablet. The Red Magic pad's body allows you to connect your mobile phone to it. The Red Magic pad is quite large at 12 each. First put aside this pad. The right side you will find a user manual. Now let's focus on the box on the left. It contains an adapter with a power of up to 80 watt and red color C to C line cable. There is nothing else inside this box. Let's examine the features of the pad's body. The Red Magic pad's back includes a single camera with a flash. There is a SIM card slot located on the side. This Red Magic gaming pad supports a 5G connectivity when use the 5G SIM. There is a magnetic point on the back where you can attach a pressure sensitive stylus. The bottom of the pad has hole and contains to connect magnetic keyboards. Unfortunately, at the moment I only have this pad, so I can't show you how the keyboard and pen will look. The camera is positioned at the top of the screen when the pad is held horizontally. Let me summarize the key feature of the Red Magic gaming pad. The device uses the TSMC Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor, which is powerful and efficient. It is designed for tablet with the good heat dissipation, similar to the Red Magic gaming phone. The device has a 12 gigs of LPDDR5X RAM and 256 gigs of UFS 3.1 storage, ensuring smooth performance and avoiding slowdowns. The grey night color scheme gives it stylish appearance, and the all-metal integrated body make it durable and sleek. The device is equipped with the 4-speaker and supports 80 watt fast charging, allowing the battery to charge from 0 to 100% in just an hour. The battery capacity is 10,000 mAh, providing long-lasting usage. The device features a 12.1-inch BOE custom screen with the resolution of 2560 by 1600 pixels. The screen has a high refresh rate of 144 Hz, which makes the animation and scrolling smoother. It also has a touch sampling rate of 240 Hz, meaning it responds quickly to your touch. The touch sensitivity is improved by 3%, making it more accurate and responsive. The screen covers 100% of P3 color gamut, which means it can display a wide range of colors accurately. Additionally, it can reach a peak brightness of up to 600 nits, making it bright and easy to view even in a well-lit environment. During the benchmark test, the new version of the Antutu scored 1.32 million, while the older version scores about 1.10 million. In a 3D Mark wildlife test, it scored 2807 points, which is impressive. After running the 4K version of the Wildlife Extreme, the device's temperature reaches 32 Celsius. Then it underwent a 20-minute stress test. Additionally, the tablet itself has excellent heat dissipation conditions, and it doesn't need to be placed in the pocket like a smartphone. The full metal back cover allows the SoC to dissipate heat directly, ensuring smooth performance even during the intense task. The tablet performed well in the game like Genshin Impact, running a maximum image quality with the motion blur at the stable 60 frames per second. The device's heat dissipation is efficient and it can maintain the stable performance even during the intense gameplay. Game like Honor of King and the Cold Against the Water mobile version runs effortlessly at high frame rates. The tablet's bigger screen enhances the gaming experience, especially for the skill-intensive online games. For the game that requires less complex control like a Golden Shovel, the Red Magic tablet provides an excellent experience with the extremely high-quality graphics, running at 120 fps. The tablet's layout is convenient, making it easy to play with the one hand or use the plug-in cards. However, for some games that involves a lot of character movements and the camera adjustment, playing for the extended period might become tiring. Overall, the Red Magic Game Tablet provides a great gaming experience, but some users might need additional support to hold the tablet comfortably during the long gaming sessions. So what you guys think about it? Tell us your thought in the comment section below if you have any questions. Also give this video a thumbs up and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, me signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.